Hey guys, what's up? If you are a user of a smartphone or a PC or a tablet, you might just have came across the term what is a kernel. If you have not yet listened the term, you will definitely do sometime. But today we are going to discuss the first thing, what is kernel, the second thing, why we have to know about kernel, the third thing, how to install a custom kernel in your mobile phone. By the way, this is Nikhil Sharma and welcome to Root and Droid. Just as a cell contains a nucleus, each and every operating system has its own kernel. No matter whether it's a smartphone or a PC or a tablet or a TV or a smartwatch, if it has an operating system, it should definitely have a kernel. Kernel is said to be the central block of the operating system. But what does a kernel do actually? Kernel manages between the applications like camera or a recorder or a voice recorder and the hardware components like microphone or a camera hardware or a speaker, etc. Acting as a bridge between the hardware and the software components. Software components, I mean applications. Suppose let us take UCam Perfect application. It should definitely need camera. First thing, a camera. I guess UCam Perfect application has video recording, right? If it supports video recording, it should definitely have access to microphone. And sometimes light may be low. And at that conditions, it should definitely access to LED light provided by your phone. After that, definitely we have to store or we have to save that image or video to our external memory card or an internal memory, right? If not, definitely the data will be lost entirely. So we even need the access to hardware components like memory card or the internal memory. Okay, now everything was done very great. Video was really great and you want to show it to your friend. You will go there to your friend and show the video. Once you are showing the video, the sound may observe to be low. Now just you want to increase the volume. For that sake, you will, as you know, you will press the button. Externally to the outer world, definitely the volume will be increased. But what happens internally? Operating system doesn't go to your speaker and say to increase the volume. The operating system first contacts the kernel and only the kernel can contact to the hardware components, either LED or memory or camera, anything. Only kernel can access to hardware components. So it goes there and says speakers to increase its volume. To the outer world, the volume is increased. The same thing happens with each and every software. I guess you are perfect with the term what is kernel, right? Basically, by default, Windows operating system has NT kernel. For Apple iOS or Macintosh, it will be Darwin kernel, and these both are closed operating systems. So no custom kernels can be installed in that operating systems. And coming to Android, it is Linux based kernel. As you know before, Android is an open source operating system. So we can definitely install a custom kernel on that operating system. The thing again that rises in your mind is why we have to install a custom kernel. I appreciate you if the doubt was really raised here. The first advantage of installing custom kernel is we can just improve performance. The second thing is for better battery performances. And the third thing is for GPU. We can increase the frequencies of GPU even. For these reasons, a custom kernel can be installed in your mobile phones if it is Android. Some of the very well-known kernels include the black box kernel, the Franco kernel, the Thundersap kernel. You can just go to the XDA forum. I'll provide the link in the description. You can just go there and search for kernels. Now the last thing, how to install a custom kernel in your Android phones. The very first thing you have to do is find the kernel best suitable for you and best compatible with your device. You can just go to XDA forum. The link will be provided below. Go there, search for your device kernels. We will be provided with some downloads. You can just go there, download that thread. And the second thing is definitely bootloader should be unlocked. A custom recovery and custom ROM should be installed. These can be only done by rooting your phone. There are many ways of installing custom recoveries and custom ROMs. You can just go to Google and search for that. The third thing is flash your kernel using custom recovery. You will be provided with the zip file. Flash the zip file using the custom recovery. You can just choose TWRP recovery to flash the custom kernels. That's it, you are done. You can just reboot the system to apply the changes. Guys, that's all about kernels. Guys, speaking frankly, I'm not at all doing this for money. I'm just interested in technology. YouTube is the only source I have got for sharing my opinions and views on several topics. Even many are benefited through this. If you are really interested in technology, you can just subscribe to the channel. If not, just share to your friends. If they are interested, it might be helpful to them. First thing, this is all education. So, in my opinion, education don't need any egos. Keep all your egos aside and please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. This is Nikhil Sharma from Rooted Droid signing off. Bye bye. Take care.